I've done this hill once before. Oh. And it was a bitch then. Oh, what do we got here?
I don't want to be tied to a load that I can't carry over the road. Just want to hear that thunder roar on trails that ain't been rode before. Don't put no chains on me, I'm rolling free, rolling free, rolling free.
Whoa! Yeah. Damn! Womp, 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 womp. How's everybody doing? Justin here, rolling free. We got the 890. Adrian's with us. Rob's with us. I think this is the 4th annual Sunshine Coast Dirt Bike Association fun ride. So we got an A loop, a B loop, and an AB loop. So I mean, it's mostly dirt bike stuff going on here, but they assured me if my skill level's high that the 890 could do the AB. So we're gonna give it a go. We'll see you out on the trail.
Anyone who's interested in having a little experience with the A, there's only one hill climb on it. The rest of it is pretty easy. It's a nice little flowy trail through the woods. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you'll be fine.
I hope so. I mean, I am known to push my limits, but I'll let you guys go first because you guys are definitely making it better than I have. So I don't know, I might have myself in trouble here. This, as you can tell, is not an adventure riding group. This is a dirt bike group. I am legit the only adventure bike here. Well, I mean, Adrian's on his Himalayan. There's another guy with a KLR. I don't think they're coming up the hill we're going up though. Let's see. Can I hang with the dirt bike? That's what we're finding out today. Can I hang with the dirt bike? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave us a comment. I know I've been panhandling a lot lately. We got that Patreon if you want to help the channel out. Go check that out, links below. Oh my goodness. Oh, we already got trouble.
What you guys doing, the B run or the A run?
The AB.
AB, okay.
AB, as long as I can get through this. Holy. This is quite the little opening obstacle. All right. There we go. Oh yeah, I guess because that's A coming up through there. AB, here we go. So yeah, that wasn't a heavy hit, but I did take a hit on the skid plate crossing that rock there. Thankfully, I was able to paddle my way through. Woo. Yeah, there's a roadie mess in here. is pretty nice and flowy. Well, shit. Damn.
Damn, that's a nasty hill. So I don't know, it definitely seems comparable to the Powell River stuff that I just honestly didn't do that great on. So we'll see. Ooh, I'll give it a go, but I'm not gonna hurt myself. If I can't make it, I'll have to backtrack. ATM. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's just so loose and nasty.
Oh, there goes Rob, attempt 2. Look at this dirt biker coming out of nowhere. Oh, there's this drone up there.
That's a big bike drone.
I know, I'll give it one go, and if I can't make it, I'll just go back. But I gotta try.
Absolutely.
Look, he's doing it.
What's that?
Rob's doing it.
Rob can do it, you can do it.
Well, I don't know about that. That guy's been impressing me on that 300. Whoa, the gumption. Fucking A.
Just like that.
Yeah, right? You just gotta do that. Oh, is he going again? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, that's not a good start.
Run at him.
Or is he going? All right. That was not. Not the best attempt. Well, damn, everybody. For a split second, I thought I was making it. And then it didn't. Oh, okay. I just need a quick breather before we head down the single track. Hey, these poor guys now. Just like the Sea to Sky ADV group, the Sunshine Coast Dirt Bike Association, clearly filled with some awesome people. Those guys rode up the hill to the nastiest part of it to help me pick my bike up, and then had to carry on from that point. So thank you guys. I didn't even catch their names. What great sweepers. Sweeping up the mess of this 890. So, just gonna head back through this single track, bomb up the main road, meet up with the group on the other end, continue on with B-Ride. Whew. Yeah, that took it out of me. It was one of those things. I really wanted to give it a good effort. But goddamn. Now I get to be pooped for the rest of the ride. Because I'm assuming I'll be showing up late, so they'll probably all be waiting for me on the other side. But they'll be ready to go. But the rest of the ride is up Mount Richardson, which I think is like my third video. First ride I did with John and his 890. Back when I had a camera without stabilization or 4K. The video didn't turn out the greatest. Now we'll get a nice 4K version of it. Neil pooped out from trying stuff that I shouldn't be trying. Crying about stuff I shouldn't be crying about. Ah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel a little kiss. Cool. And back out where we started. Oh. Well, that's definitely one issue of wanting to do the AB group is I couldn't hang, so now I get to ride by myself. I don't get to ride with the group because they're all ahead of me. Oh, hey. It's always good when there's a dirt bike stuck in front of you. I'm not talking shit about the person, I just mean, fuck, if he's stuck, how am I gonna do? I've done this hill once before. Ooh. And it was a bitch then. So as far as I remember, that's kind of the last nasty section. Ooh, I could be wrong. Oh, nasty. No. Hey. Ooh, deeper than I thought it was, huh? That one climb after the washout was pretty nasty.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was way more washed out than...
Yeah. Say that about almost every trail I've done this year. Yeah. It's been quite a bit worse than it was last year.
Some of those torrential rains, that just scours.
Totally. Excuse me. Ooh, I think I shot my eye. That one wet it right on the eyelid. Uh-oh. One of these little guys loses momentum, I might be hooped. Cheers. We're heading back down now. So, can the big bike hang with Group AB? Well, maybe with a different rider. Can I hang with Group AB? Not on this bike, I can't. But can I hang with Group B? Why, certainly. I'd say I did pretty good. Some dirt bikes are getting stuck on that big hill. I mean, I did stall it a couple times, but never tipped, just kept her going. Buddy on that big old Trans L, that thing is cool. Another guy here with an old KLR. Adrian with his classic looking Himalayan. I just love classic looking bikes. I don't know what to say. This is awesome. I love dirt bike days. Coming up, people going down. Woo. Baby. Hey, where was that beer? Woo! died on the way up the hill. I don't know what part it died at, but hopefully we just got all the downhill part. So yeah, we're just headed back to the barbecue and the raffle. Yeah, the raffle. Oh, more coming up. Oh, he hasn't had enough yet. go, back to the site. Fucking A. Hey, why does it have a warning saying the turn signal's low? That's funny. I guess because they're in off-road mode? Rallies don't use turn signals.
Oh, you ride pretty fast.
Yeah, I have a tendency to kind of give her, especially if the person in front of me is giving her as well, that it's kind of like open season to rally.
Yeah, I thought I was going fast enough down that gnarly stuff, and as you saw you passing, I was like, oh, that's not going fast enough.
Yeah, well, to be honest, I hate going down steep hills, so I used to just force myself to do it.
Oh yeah.
Then now I'm really comfortable at it. Actually, I'm better at going down than up. So.
Nice.
Yeah, practice makes perfect.
Yep.
All right, there we go. That's the end of it. 4th annual Sunshine Coast Dirt Bike Association fun run. I think it's like a year ender. It was a pretty damn good time. Couldn't keep up with the A group, no big surprise there, but B group was a lot of fun. I don't know who that maniac was that I chased down the hill, but that was that was a bird. We were fucking ripping down there. So yeah, you all be good to each other. Get out there and do what you love doing. Until next time, y'all, roll free.